Hey crew, John G, Modern Design Aquascaping. Our team builds custom ponds, fountains, and waterfalls out of natural stone and wood. My goal on this holiday is to bring you an awesome waterfall project video. Our boys are going out to my oldest son Ian's house.
What's up?
Where they're going to build for him a front door falls, which is our smallest waterfall project that we build. And let me tell you something, they're gonna do it at the highest level that we can build a little bitty water feature with great big rocks to make them something amazing in their backyard. You guys enjoy the holiday, do me a favor, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, all that stuff. You know the routine, stay tuned while my two younger boys build an amazing waterfall for my oldest son. I'm gonna go drink some hot cocoa. You guys do your thing. I'm out. We're gonna build a tiny waterfall using some machine set rocks. So this video, front door falls in Oak Ridge, Tennessee. Stay tuned. I'm gonna go over there and meet Tristan, my youngest, whatever you wanna call him, the pond genius of the future, is gonna be over there waiting for me. And we're gonna talk about where we're going to put this killer waterfall at Ian's house. So jump in the car, let's go to Oak Ridge. Boo!
Oddly enough, I spend a lot of time in this house, so I know where everyone spends majority of their time, so that gives me scheming plans.
I'm gonna give you a couple of things to think about. Number one is power. You gotta be able to get your cord to something. And number two is you get to have a 4-foot long stream.
Okay.
The big challenge is making it not look tiny and lost out here in the middle of the yard, because a front door falls is designed to be a really sweet water feature in an itty bitty space. So you guys do something phenomenal out here and blow his mind, and you guys give us an opinion. You know, this is a little bitty thing to create some big impact in a small space. Big impact, tiny little space. Itty bitty space. Yeah. It's good. Let us know what you think. Give us a follow-up. Follow this plan. Watch it all come together, and at the end tell us that was really cool, or you're a cheap old man. Build a big waterfall for your boys. Whatever you think, let us know. Ian!
What?
Let's go get some rocks, man.
All right.
Hope you're ready to build a waterfall.
Oh, I'm excited, Dad.
Yeah,
I'm very
this is
excited.
how it works for me. We're gonna go get in the truck, and I'm gonna take them to pick out some boulders. So you see, I got my my good work shirt on. I'm ready to get dirty. Not.
Dad and Ian just flew over the hill. They didn't fly. It'd be hard to get the boulders back if they flew. But they're driving over the mountain, going to Crossville to pick out the boulders right now, and we are pretty much ready to break ground. So me and the crew, we're about to get this thing spray painted out, get ready. This is our canvas, just like we talked about. Set in stone, talked it over with Ian and Sam. We are a go. Operation Waterfall. It's coming. It's happening. So we're right in here. Yeah, that's pretty much all we got. So hopefully they hurry up, because if we get to the point where we got this reservoir in, we ain't got boulders, we're gonna be having a long lunch. So let's get to work. Party on! Party on!
Let's pick out some boulders.
Excited.
All right, guys, you know where we are. This isn't our first time. Let's go out here and find some awesome rocks for Ian's mini front door falls.
Like the next stage that's hitting me, the fact that I'm actually going to have this in my backyard, looking into the little covered patio that I've got off the master bedroom, a place where my wife can paint, where I can sit out and play guitar, where the kids can go get wet when it's hot outside. I'm so freaking fired up. Cheesed, straight cheesed.
What do you think, man? What do you think?
That the one you think?
Yeah, check it out.
Oh yeah, good faces, especially this one.
It's got a fossil in it. What do you think, man?
Yeah,
is that the last pallet? That's another ton right there, just over 1 ton.
These are wicked, yeah.
Score.
These
all right, man.
Yeah.
That's the last of them.
Yeah, excited.
here doing a thing. A maniacal thing. And who better to do it to than my oldest brother, who spent majority of our childhood playing pranks on me. Well, now I'm digging a hole in his backyard, and it's my turn, is what this is. There's nothing in this hole. We already know that there isn't anything here. So we actually brought this conduit in the trailer, and now we've disguised it and buried it in there, and we just sent them a text message because they're gone getting the boulders, and told them that we cut power to the house. And this is the picture that we're sending to him. So we're going to wait for him to get back. And we've got his wife in on it as well. She's messaged. She's pretending to be very upset that the power is out in the house because they can't do anything. And let's just see how much brewing and stewing they do on their drive back from over the mountain. Love you, Ian. You'll see this.
Just got Dad's keys.
What's up, man?
What's up?
How you doing?
Doing good.
No, we've wired it back.
Really?
I don't know how to permanently wire it back.
You're joking. There shouldn't be any cords back here to hit.
Okay, well, we're gonna have to figure something out.
Well, what the hell is that doing back here? Why would they tell me there's nothing buried in my yard if there
Well, we
is?
pretty much can't put the f***ing power in until, like, we can't put the reservoir in until you get an electrician out here. We're kind of,
Okay.
kind of screw the pooch.
Well, yeah, I don't know an electrician. What's up? You're joking again?
Yeah. We just put those in there just to scare you guys.
That's funny. That's funny. Yeah, Dad's so stressed out. He was so stressed. That was the end of the trip home. He's like, Jesus, I can't freaking believe it, man. He's like, just my freaking blood pressure, I swear. He's like, we got 5 professional microphones, one of the most important videos I'm ever gonna shoot. Coolest little miniature waterfall I probably ever done. Balls to the wall to the max. For my son, we only have 1 out of 5 microphones. That's real handy. We've screwed up power and publicized that. It's great. Hey, brother, but we're happy to be here doing your waterfall. Enjoy your power not being here anymore. He's like, just
Yeah, we're gonna have to find a stream to tap into for a gravity feed because you ain't got no power. Is your power out?
hey, man.
Oh, love you, dog.
Oh, I love you guys. freaking sexy. Dude, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Dude, that's legit. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. This is gonna bring me so much peace. Me and Sam's gonna bring us so much peace. Little peace in nature brought to our backyard here in the middle of our crowded suburban house in the city of Oak Ridge. It's like we've got a little piece of the Smoky Mountains dropped right outside of our back patio. The fire that we're gonna have out here, the little music sessions.
Oh, yeah.
How lovely it's gonna be to kick back and read a book or study work material that I've got, listening to it from the daybed.
Your 2 seaters to request. One on each side.
So awesome. Dude, so freaking cool. Cheesed.
Well, this has been an absolute blast of a 2 days out here. Ian got home this afternoon, waterfall running, lights on, everything looking good, almost cleared up, give it another day, and he was blown away. I think it's safe to say that they are pleased with the outcome of this project. And big shout out to the team out there. It has been an awesome time getting this thing done, and the sound is absolutely fantastic on this thing. So I was kind of worried about how much sound we were gonna get on this because it's only 4 feet long, but it's loud. You get a ton of sound out of this thing, and I think it's because you have such tall drops in a short frame with roughly 3,000 gallons an hour going through there, and it just really turned out so good. I'm so happy. This little cave in here, this little cave in this waterfall is one of the coolest things ever made. I absolutely love it. It's got a little moss pad tucked in there with lights falling, little water droplets falling off this moss that look like little diamonds with the light shining on them. But this thing has just turned out great. This little piece of driftwood, in love with this thing. The little roots creeping out, the water going through. I absolutely love the way this turned out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Awesome getting the build for you, Ian. This one's for you, shout out. So if you guys have enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up, follow us on Facebook, which is a good reminder that I have to get a hold of them in just a moment. So have a good one, guys.
Team, that's it for the end of the Christmas waterfall project. Let me know what you think about the front door falls. Did you hear my voice crack just then? Boys are going to laugh about that one. Anyways, Squirrel, tell me what you think. Let me know. Help the team out. At least punch the thumb button down there if you don't have anything else to say, and I hope you guys have an amazing holiday season. I am out.